Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a transparent glass effect in Photoshop. First, open your background image in Photoshop. Then go to the file menu, click on the place inverted. Then place your image. Then go to the select menu, click on the subject and click on the mask icon and follow the process. Then layer copy 3 times. Normal to multiple, opacity 15. Second layer is the same process. Third layer, normal to luminosity and opacity 15. Fourth layer, normal to soft light and opacity 15. Select top layer, click on the effects icon, press Alt key. Select third layer as a same process. Now we make a transparent glass effect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.